On this episode, what is Halloween like in the US?
Just how scary is it?
Do adults dress up?
And how much candy do these kids really get? Come along to find out.
Morning light spills over the ridges, aspen leaves turning bright. The wind moves soft through the branches, the earth breathing light. The canyon road bends on forever, with colors pouring in. The sapphire sky opens wide. I'm caught up in it again. From the mountaintops to the canyons deep, the view across the range. Every turn of this dirt road, the season starts to change. Oh, the aspen's growing tall, the golden leaves are dance and fall. My eyes ignite, the sky opens, taking flight. With every breeze I feel it all, the mountain's heart, the quiet call. Oh, the aspen's in the fall, Colorado's rocky heights. Homeward my heart it calls, my eyes ignite. We walk beneath the branches, swaying, the ground a carpet of gold.
The school hosted a Halloween party.
With lots of snacks and games?
The world's so still, the air is cold. But there's a warmth in every leaf that turns, and with each passing moment, I feel my spirit burst. From the mountain tops to the canyons deep, the view across the range. Every turn of this dirt road, the season starts to change. Oh, the aspen's growing tall, the golden leaves are dance and fall.
Before we went over to our friends to trick or treat, I made pumpkin juice.
Recipe in the description.
This is what it's like for a typical family with young kids trick or treating.
Double, double toil and trouble, fire burn and cauldron bubble, fillet of a fenny snake, in the cauldron boil and bake. Ein of newt and toe of frog, wool of bat and tongue of dog, adder's fork and blindworm sting, lizard's leg and howlet's wing, for a charm of powerful trouble. like a hell broth boil and bubble.
Toil and trouble, fire, burn and cauldron bubble.
Double, double toil and trouble. Fire, burn and cauldron bubble.
Head of a fenny snake, in the cauldron boil and bake.
Eye of newt and toe of frog, wool of bat and tongue of dog, adder's fork and blindworm sting, lizard's leg and howlet's wing, for a charm of powerful trouble. Like a
McGonagall.
hell broth boil and bubble.
Toil and trouble, fire, burn and cauldron bubble.
Double, double toil and trouble. Fire, burn and cauldron bubble. Fillet of a fenny snake, in the cauldron boil and bake. Eye of newt and toe of frog, wool of bat and tongue of dog, adder's fork and blindworm sting, lizard's leg and howl.
It's an unspoken rule that if your porch light is on, you are passing out candy.
Like a hell broth boil and bubble.
Double, toil and trouble, fire, burn and cauldron bubble. Double, toil and trouble, fire, burn and cauldron bubble. Double, toil and trouble, fire, burn and cauldron bubble.
Abandoned field, shadows stretch along. Orange skin tough, but the night's so long.
Not every adult who's trick-or-treating with their kids dress up. Most actually don't. I would say we are the exception. We were the only adult dressed up this year.
Secrets, leaves hum a song. Frost creeps in slow. Where do I belong?
Once you enter, there is no escape. You are mine forevermore.
Under the full moon, forgotten I stay. Cold of the night, the sun.